When it comes to access control, knowing who can enter the system is only the first step. The real challenge is managing what users can do once they're actually in. That's where NIST SP 800-171 Security Requirement 3.1.2 comes into play. Now, Requirement 3.1.2 focuses on setting the rules for permissions within a system. Think of it as a game of chess. Each piece has its own set of moves and limitations. In the same way, access control policies restrict the types of functions authorized for each user or process, dictating what actions they can or cannot perform on system resources. If 3.1.1 is about who gets through the door, 3.1.2 is about what they're allowed to do once inside. This requirement is a fundamental part of NIST's access control policies. It's been around since the first publication of SP 800-171 in 2015. And although its label has changed slightly with each revision, its core purpose remains the same. CMMC also acknowledged its importance by referencing it across multiple levels of compliance. To meet this requirement, organizations need to take a structured approach. Part A involves defining access authorizations for each account, while Part B enforces these authorizations using access control mechanisms. These rules can be implemented at different levels, such as system, application, or even service, depending on the organization's architecture. There are two main methods for setting up these controls: role-based access control, or RBAC, and attribute-based access control, or ABAC. RBAC assigns permissions based on user's role, which is effective and straightforward. For example, an employee in a marketing role might have access to CRM data, but not to financial records. ABAC, on the other hand, allows for more granular control. It uses a set of attributes like time or day or location to define access. For example, you can restrict access based on the user's location, preventing logins from unfamiliar areas. This flexibility comes with added complexity, making ABAC more resource intensive to implement. Once these controls are in place, it's crucial to continuously monitor and verify their effectiveness. Start by maintaining a list of all authorized accounts and the permissions they've been granted. Conduct regular reviews to ensure that no one has permissions beyond what's necessary for their role. Additionally, brief your staff annually on their access rights and responsibilities to reinforce the principle of least privilege. If roles or responsibilities change, update permissions accordingly and remove any shared or guest accounts that are no longer in use. NIST's proposed Revision 3 aligns Requirement 3.1.2 with the broader AC3 control. The changes provide more clarity on logical access enforcement for both controlled unclassified information and system resources. This ensures that access controls continue to protect critical data and prevent unauthorized use of system resources. For organizations already implementing Rev 2, the transition to Rev 3 should be straightforward, as the core elements of access enforcement haven't changed, just their alignment with the latest NIST standards. Implementing 3.1.2 from NIST SP 800-171 isn't just about checking a box on an assessment, it's about defining and enforcing who can do what within your systems. By taking a structured approach using role-based or attribute-based access controls and continuously monitoring these permissions, you can protect your data and systems from unauthorized access. Remember, access control is the gatekeeper of your system's security. Get it right and you'll have a strong foundation for compliance and cybersecurity. If you'd like to learn more about NIST and its frameworks, reach out to K2GRC. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.